Hi, in this session, I'm explaining about how to configure Kubernetes cluster. Before that, coming to the prerequisites, we are using three Ubuntu servers, one for master, two for worker. The master configuration with 4 GB RAM and worker with 1 GB RAM, one core. In real time, based on our requirement, the configuration is different. So I'm creating worker nodes and master nodes in Ubuntu. This is Amazon Cloud console. In the console, I'm creating three instances. One for master. Here, name it as master. Selecting Ubuntu machine. T2 dot medium. I'm taking 4 RAM 2 core CPU. Then keypad. Here, I'm for kubelet kubeproxy. We need to open the ports. Kube API. These are 6443 HCD API kube scheduler controller and manager. So for these ports, I need to open in the Amazon Cloud console. For that, I'm opening the all ports in the region of IP range 172.31.0.016. Okay. For that, I'm adding. That means I'm open. That means all traffic means all ports and 72 IP range is 31.0.0.16. Launching the instance. Then I'm creating worker nodes. I'm creating two worker nodes at a time. And name it as K8's worker. Later I will give the number to the worker nodes. Select Ubuntu machine. Ubuntu Debian. Is fine. P2.micro is fine. Prepare. Here also I'm open the ports. Select all traffic. The IP range of VPC is 172.31.0.0.16. I'm opening the all ports, all traffic in this IP range. Now launch instances. After launch instance, I'm open the command band prompt and connecting, and I'm creating three tabs. One for master, two for workers. Okay, I'm connecting all created servers. Oh, actually, my PEM key is in downloads. I go to the servers, go to the instances. Before that, we need to give the name. I mean, for name for our convention, we need to give the names. It is not. Okay, fine. Here I'm giving this node as worker one, save, and this node worker two, save, and switch to the. I'm connecting the Kubernetes master node in the first tab. Yes. For our comments, I need to change the tab color. Worker node one has yellow, node two has the color to green, and yeah, it's connected successfully. Then go to the worker node one. It's continuously loading. Just wait for some time. Loading instances. These instances already loaded. Need to connect worker node one. This is worker node one. I'm trying to connect. Okay, fine. Then switch to the connect to the worker node two. Yeah, this is worker node two. Trying to connect. Fine. Yeah, I created three nodes, one for master, two for worker nodes. Then the task is started. To configure the node, I'm configuring the master and worker node. And coming to that, we need to for configuring Kubernetes cluster. First, switch to the root user. I'm switching to the root user from boot. This is root user. Switch it to the root. Here also switch it to the root. Here also switch it to the root. Okay. We need to do common configuration for worker and manager node. Okay. Before that, we need to swap these instructions I have copied from here, the Kubernetes.io docs references. Okay. For installing Kubernetes cluster. Okay. We need to turn off the swap memory for all nodes connected. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so we need to install the after run of the swap to install container T runtime. So for that, we need to update Ubuntu machine and install container T for worker and master. It will take some time. Uh, why why we must turn off the swap memory? The default behavior of kubelet was to fail to start if swap memory was detected on node. If kubelet is fail to start, so if swap memory was detected on a node, the swap has been supported since one version 1.22 and 1.28. Now I am using 1.28. Swap is supported for the subgroup V2 and the node swap feature. Instead of you must disable swap if kubelet is not properly configured to use swap. For example, so that's it. You must disable swap if kubelet is not properly configured to use swap. Okay, so that's why I turn off the swap memory. Okay, for that we need to here after disable the swap, install runtime interface. Kubernetes runtime interface is container D. We're not installing Docker here. So since container D package is a part of Docker, so container D is a part of the package. So that's why you need to install only container D. Hence we add Docker repository. It's okay, download and install container D. For Docker official GP, this is for Docker official page. I'm now copying the key. I've already copied it here from here. Here for container D. For container runtime, container D for container D. Yeah, for container this is official page. Container Debian Central Ubuntu. This is file from I have copied from here. Here this source I am copied it. So that's why I'm running this command in worker and master nodes. So let me connect it to the master. Okay, then switch to the worker. Switch to the another worker. Right. After downloading the key, we need to use following command to set up repository. For setuping repository, we need to following the do the same in master and worker. Okay. Then now installing containerd. For that we need to update Ubuntu machine. Then after do the containerd. And we will the same thing in worker node also. Okay. Then after we need to generate default configuration file for containerd. So that means configuration file is config.tyml. This is the configuration file. So for that we need to run the command for generating the containerd configuration file. Okay, success. Yeah, same. Then now configure C group as system D for containerd. So then okay, then restart, enable the service. Right. Then after can static enable IP table. We need to enable the IP table. For that, use this command to enable the IP table for master and worker. Updated IP table successfully. Use this one also for overlay, moderate overlay. After updating IP table, we need to do the command update overlay. Then after these three commands are installing IP table. Okay, fine. Now run the command systemctl system. Okay, fine. Then actually in real time Kubernetes kubectl and kubectl is not required install and master and worker node. Kubernetes kubectl installed in a separate machine in real time. Interact with API server for kubeconfig file. For kubeconfig file, if you are having kubeconfig file, you can do installation kubectl in a separate session, separate machine, and we can interact with master node. For practice purpose, just installing. Update the apt package and index and install package need to use Kubernetes apt repository. So for practice purpose, I'm installing the update package, index and install package need to use Kubernetes apt repository for uh, then fine. Now download the Google public signing key. These are for downloading the kubectl. So installing that. Okay. Now downloading the key from Google key. Fine. Now I'm adding a apt repository. Fine. Then update apt package index like kubelet, Kubeadm, kubectl and pin their versions. Okay. I have downloaded all. Now I'm installing package kubelet, Kubeadm, master and worker nodes. It will take some time. So this means next is to mark hold the package upgradation. After if you apt mark hold kubelet kubectl also apt mark hold for that apt mark hold that yeah, that means the new upgradation is in hold condition. Okay, hold okay. Then now demand reload and start kubelet and kubelet service enable. Fine. Fine. These are common for master and slave node. Okay. Now I'm doing in master node only for initializing the Kubernetes Kubeadm. Okay. In master, this is master node. I'm initializing the Kubeadm. It will take some time to initialize. Then after let's wait for some time. Yeah, I have successfully installed initialized Kubeadm. For that, you can see that no notification queue notice control plane has been initialized successfully. Okay, to start using your cluster, we need to run the following as a regular user. So start using your cluster. First, initially, normally as a normal user, you need to run the this command, right? Okay. Then exit as a normal user. Okay. Exit. Run the same command. I already copied here. Okay. This is in master node. Okay, not in worker nodes. Okay, now I'm checking the parts and status of the parts. Okay, by using command kubectl get parts hyphen override. Cube system namespace is default names, not default, is a system namespace, Kubernetes namespace. Here you can see that the parts, some parts are pending state, some parts are pending states, code DNS. These are in pending state. So because we need to install network add-ons. Network add-ons means VNR Calico. Okay. For that, I'm installing VWin. VWin. Okay. Right. For that, okay. Created. Fine. Now check kubectl get nodes. We have only one node. We are not adding masters here. So for adding masters, we need to generate the key. Actually, it was created in past. The key was created or created. You can use this key, or if you want, if you're using this command to generate the key also. Parent key. Yeah, just copy the key. Then go to the go to the worker node. Run it. Adding this key to the node 1 and node 2. Okay. Yeah. Go to the work master node kubectl get this command get nodes this command display the yeah. After adding keys to the worker nodes, the worker nodes are automatically joined to the Kubernetes cluster. This is control node. That means master node. These are all worker nodes, right? This is about the Kubernetes cluster setup. Okay. Now I'm winding up my session. In the next video, I'm explaining the by using Kubernetes objects. What is Kubernetes objects, and with the use of Kubernetes objects, we're creating a service. Right? Thanks. That's it.